The growing demand for RV solar panels mirrors the surge in off-grid travel, remote work, and power independence. Much like typists and gamers look for equipment that blends performance with durability, RV owners seek solar panels that balance efficiency, build quality, portability.
Product number 1. Eco-worthy 200 watts 12-volt 24-volt solar panel kit with high-efficiency monocrystalline solar panel. Eco-worthy has become a go-to option for RVers who want a comprehensive, high-output solar setup without overspending. This 200-watt kit delivers solid performance thanks to its monocrystalline panels, which are known for strong efficiency even in suboptimal light. RV owners who camp in mixed conditions, shade, early mornings, or cloud cover will appreciate the reliable charging curve. The kit includes everything needed for installation: 2 100-watt panels, a PWM charge controller, mounting brackets, and cabling. The controller is basic but functional, offering standard protections like overcharge, short circuit, and reverse polarity. For most small to mid RV systems, it's sufficient, though heavy power users may eventually upgrade to an MPPT controller for increased efficiency. Build quality is impressive at this price point. The aluminum frames feel sturdy, and the panels are rigid enough to withstand highway vibration and rooftop installation. For new solar adopters, the straightforward plug-and-play setup is a major plus. However, this is not a portable kit. Once installed, it's meant to stay on the RV roof.
Product number 2. Renogy 100-watt 12-volt portable solar panel with waterproof 20A charge controller. Renogy remains one of the most trusted brands in RV solar, and this 100-watt portable folding kit showcases why. Designed for travelers who want high efficiency without committing to a rooftop installation, this briefcase-style system combines convenience with industry-leading reliability. The included waterproof 20A charge controller is a standout feature. It's well sealed for outdoor use and offers intelligent charging profiles, protecting your RV battery bank while maximizing energy harvest. Renogy's reputation for accurate wattage ratings holds true here. The panel consistently produces stable output. Setup is incredibly simple. Unfold the panel, angle the kickstands, connect to your battery, and you're charging. This makes it ideal for boondockers who like the flexibility of parking in the shade while keeping the panels in the sun. The latching case, padded interior, and carrying handle make transport easy, though at around 25 pounds, it's heavier than some ultralight options.
Product number 3. 100-watt portable solar panel with 20A PWM controller. This budget-friendly 100-watt portable solar panel kit provides a strong entry point for new RV owners who want off-grid capability without spending top dollar. It includes a 20A PWM charge controller, alligator clips, and a folding design that makes it easy to store and deploy. For moderate energy needs, charging batteries, powering lights, or running small electronics, this panel performs well. It tends to deliver reliable wattage in direct sun, and the included controller offers standard battery protections. However, PWM controllers are less efficient than MPPT models, so users with larger lithium battery banks may notice slower charging rates. Portability is one of the best aspects of this panel. The foldable suitcase design, carry handle, and lightweight construction allow RVers to reposition the panel throughout the day for maximum output. Although the frame and hinges feel less premium than higher-priced kits, they're adequately sturdy for casual use.
Product number 4. 100-watt portable solar panel. This standalone 100-watt portable solar panel is designed for RVers who already own a charge controller or prefer customizing their setup. Without an included controller, it's often priced more affordably while giving users flexibility over how the panel integrates into their existing system. The panel typically features high-efficiency monocrystalline cells, making it well-suited for recharging RV batteries, power stations, or portable generators. Because it's a lightweight folding kit, setup is quick. Unfold, angle the built-in kickstands, and connect through your chosen charge controller. This makes it a great fit for RV owners who want mobility and the freedom to keep their rig shaded. Construction quality is generally solid, with aluminum framing and protective corner guards. It's lighter than all-in-one kits, making it easier to move throughout the day for optimal sun exposure. However, the absence of a controller means beginners must make sure they pair it with a compatible unit.
Product number 5. HQST 100-watt 12-volt monocrystalline solar panel with solar connectors. HQST has built a strong reputation for offering Renogy-level performance at more budget-friendly prices, and this 100-watt monocrystalline panel is no exception. It's a durable, high-output panel designed primarily for rooftop installation, though it can be used in portable setups with the right mounting hardware. Efficiency is a highlight. HQST panels consistently deliver output close to their rated wattage, thanks to well-binned cells and quality manufacturing. For RVers who need dependable charging during extended boondocking trips, this consistency is a major advantage. The panel comes equipped with standard solar connectors, making it easy to integrate with most solar controllers and systems. The anodized aluminum frame feels rugged, and the panel is rated for snow loads, strong winds, and long-term outdoor exposure. Compared to cheaper brands, HQST panels tend to last longer and degrade more slowly over time. This is a single panel, no controllers, mounts, or accessories, so it's best for those who want to expand an existing system or build a custom rooftop array. The value, however, is exceptional. You get a highly reliable, efficient panel at a lower cost than many competitors.